Today, I want to have a little fun project. I just want to turn a book into a video game. Just something simple. We're going to compare and contrast Claude versus Codex. So I'm going to go to some random website. All right, we got a book. We got some knowledge. I really want to gamify this. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to download this. And I'm going to create a new folder. NLP book, Get Smarter game. Okay, good enough. Now we can go into Codex. So now we have Codex. Notice Codex is in YOLO mode. If we go to where that app is, okay, so the book's in there. I'm going to right click on this and then do services and then do new CMux workspace from here. Perfect. Nice. And then we'll bring in Codex. Nice. All right, voice to text. I want a CLI terminal game with ASCII characters or ASCII animations and basically interactivities, so I could basically learn almost like Oregon Trail style, like in just like terminal, all the concepts about NLP. And then we have a little score and then characters and level up and HP, and then we can see levels and stuff like that. So I want you to quickly mock up a MVP for this, and then we're going to build this just as a quick win down in terminal, and then I can run it. The goal is to teach the user NLP techniques, have very cool visuals, do however you want to animate it. You can find GitHub libraries, Python libraries, MCPs, APIs, to just Python libraries or GitHub libraries, or search anywhere for the web for anything already existing out there that could build upon this without going too far into building the whole thing. You have a very short time sprint. Don't try and build a whole thing out, just a few levels out. I want to see a mock MVP quick as possible, and then we'll iterate ourselves to success. Nice. Okay, so now that we have that, let's also compete with Claude. Okay, so now we're actually going to compare both of them side by side. Right now, Codex has already extracted the entire book, and Claude is currently building the layout. Did they both finish? Codex finished in 15 minutes and 28 seconds, and Claude Code finished in 15 minutes and 14 seconds. I smell a conspiracy. Let's see their work. What do we got here? Who didn't do the work? Let's check the work. Okay, we gotta, I'll just say you run it. And then I'll say you run it. Just so we can see it. Oh snap, there's one. Oh yes. Wait, who's that? The game is running. Okay, so this is Codex's. Oh snap, I'll show you guys in a moment. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, Codex was first, and it is working, so Codex is so far winning right now. All right, I need a hacker sign. Mad. This is actually my sign. Scientist. Yeah, my gamer tag is actually Mad Scientist. Of course it is. Come on now. One everyday result you want from this run. Sure. Gain confidence in vibe coding. Yeah. A recurring low-stake thought that gets in your way. I always freeze when pressure is on. I don't know. Okay, when remembering something clearly, what do you notice first? A picture, words, body, that. I'm going to say a picture. And then under pressure, what autopilot patterns appears most often? Freeze, avoid, speed up, enforce it, analyze. 3, speed up. Set simulation intensity, change HP, guided, forgiving. Yeah, I want guided. Please be forgiving. Press enter to breach the veil. Oh boy. Oh hell yeah. I want more pictures than text and more interaction. But this is good for version 1. I want you to really impress me in what you would do for a version 2. We asked Claude to give us the app and say, open a new terminal and run it. There we go. Dope. Dope. What is this? What is going on? Oh, snap. Oh, my computer got hacked. My computer got hacked. Oh, snap. Claude is hacking my computer right now. Claude's taking over. Ooh. So it says here, warning, this build reads from a live subject. Everything you type is used against your own defenses. Answer honestly or the exploit does nothing. Before you hack any system, you have to fingerprint it. You are the system. These are 9 questions. Hold on, there you go. So, you see? No wrong answers, only useless ones. What do we call you on here? Mad scientists. Do you guys see a pattern? Nice. All right, mad scientist. Nobody experiences the world directly. You render it in 5 channels: sight, sound, feeling, smell, taste. You lead with one. It shows up in the words you pick without noticing. I watch it play out. I see the room, their face, how it goes. Okay, so I visualize. I hear it. I rehearse it in the words, the tone, the comeback, that, or I feel it. Chest tightens, that. It's gonna be 1. I'm definitely visual. So for sure. Very visual. Number 2. Ooh, now we're getting nerdy here. Okay, number 2. Draw. Someone is explaining something complicated. You get it fastest when, do they draw it, talk it, hand it? Someone is explaining something complicated. No, just talk to me. And I'll compute it. So we are going to go to yours. Type in an ugly version, not the LinkedIn one, and go deep. I'm not going to go into this, but let's just say make up rest of examples. I'm just going to make up just stuff just to kind of go through. I just kind of want to see what it does. Demon isolated, target acquired. So now so this is actually really going through like the process of NLP, which is like really fun to basically. So this is actually doing really good. Although Claude Code took the longest, it won. It actually has the better of the interactive game. That's actually well thought out. That's actually going through the different levels. That's not overwhelming. Has really dope animations from here. Like this is actually really cool to kind of go through and actually learn, which is actually super cool. And so, wow, this is just kind of keeps going, which is like super dope. So I would say Claude Code came in. I really wish next time we'll test out Kimmy, which is kind of interesting. I'm just kind of going through just to see like what he does at the very. Oh, look at that! What? Look at that! That looks dope. Recall, associate, anchor, break, stimulus, response, the state of intensity. So not bad. Simple little terminal game. Transcribed from a book. Very simple game. And just using terminal in Claude Code, because now that you got some comfortableness, like taking a PDF file, converting it into something, sitting and babysitting and troubleshooting with CMux, like now you have the skill sets and more practice to go, and now this will build when you start going to building more bigger automations or bigger things, so that it's the times that you play that you have the most fun. So it's like just a little PSA. Don't build and take everything so seriously. Nice. Let's give you guys some free gifts because you guys stayed till the very end. This is 22 free Claude Code training videos, 5 PDF guides, all for free so that you guys can have fun like with Claude. Awesome. So, all right. Good to see you guys.